Welcome all dear students. In this video we are going to see the analysis of the poem Bengal Sailors by Sarojini Naidu. So Bengal Sailors Sarojini Naidu, let us have the introduction of this poem here. The Nightingale of India The Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu, lived between 1879 and 1949, was an Indian political activist and poet. She was the first female Indian governor of Uttar Pradesh in independent India. Songs 1895, The Golden Threshold 1905, The Bird of Time 1912 and The Broken Wing 1917 comprises all the poems of Sarojini Naidu. She became a close associate of Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Mahatma Gandhi during the Indian freedom struggle. Also, she was a good friend of Rabindranath Tagore and Sarla Devi Chaudhrani. Bengal Sailors is from her second collection, The Bird of Time. The poem captures the familiar sight of a Bengal sailor at a fair and the array of colors and designs they carry. First stanza is here. Bengal sailors are we who bear our shining loads to the temple fair. Who will buy these delicate, bright, rainbow-tinted circles of light, lustrous tokens of radiant lives, for happy daughters and happy wives? In this first stanza of the Bengal Sailors, the poet refers to the Bengal sailors who go to the temple fair. They carry their shining loads, representing the heaviness of life upon them. It is made clear that they know that a temple fair is where they get to meet women of every age. They call out to the people to buy their bangles, which are delicate, bright, rainbow-tinted circles of light. Bangles here are called as lustrous tokens of radiant lives. It relates to the Indian custom of associating bangles with happiness and prosperity. Second stanza. Some are meant for maiden's wrist, silver and blue as the mountain mist. Some are flushed like the birds that dream on the tranquil brow of woodland stream. Some are aglow with the bloom that clues to the limpid glory of newborn leaves. In the second stanza of the Bengal Sailors, the poet talks of the bangles of different colors they have for young maidens. They are silver and blue, like the mountain mist, flushed like the flower buds growing beside a woodland stream, and green like newborn leaves. The poet using flushed like the birds that dream to describe the color pale or rosy red could be an indication of shyness of young girls dreaming of marriage. Third stanza. Some are like fields of sunlit corn, meet for a bride on her bridal morn. Some like the flame of her marriage fire, or rich with the hue of her heart's desire, tinkling, luminous, tender and clear, like her bridal laughter and bridal tear. In the third stanza of the Bengal Sailors, the poet talks of the bangles that is worn by brides on the day of their marriage. The colors of bridal bangles, yellow and red, are compared to the fields of sunlit corn. flame of her marriage fire, and hue of her heart's desire. The bangles are tinkling, luminous, tender, and clear, like her bridal laughter of starting the new life and bridal tear of leaving her parents behind. The final line of this stanza captures the bittersweet transition of Indian women leaving their family to her husband's home after marriage. Stanza 4. Some are purple and gold flecked grey, for she who has journeyed through life midway, whose hands have cherished, whose love has blessed, and cradled fair sons on her faithful breast, and serves her household in fruitful pride, and worships the gods at her husband's side. The final stanza of the Bangle Sellers describes the bangles the bangle sellers have for middle-aged married women. The stanza gives insight into the image of a complete woman in a patriarchal society, especially in the Indian context. The ideal wife begets sons, serves her household in a fruitful way. She must worship gods at her husband's side. The colors of the bangles also not so bright as in the previous stanzas. The bangles in purple and gold flecked grey represent a quiet, contented life. The poet's use of cradled fair sons suggests the ingrained attitude of male preference in the time of Sarojini Naidu's times. So, this was the analysis and the explanation of the poem Bangle Sellers by Sarojini Naidu. Dear students, I hope that you will surely understand the theme of the poem and what Sarojini Naidu wants to convey. Okay. Read it very carefully, have a study of this poem, and just enjoy the poetry of Indian poetess Sarojini Naidu. Thank you very much.